Some of the police them are some of the dumbest people in our society. You understand? Common sense isn't as common as we'd hope it would be. You understand? It is not. And then when you look at, as you mentioned, like the generations, right? Look at the age group of a lot of the people that were involved in this case and in this investigation. Then fall around the same kind of age group we are talking about, where people think a certain way. You understand? Some older people, the first thing they hear when a youth run is, boy, him bad, you know, want listen to him people. You get what me I say? And then I consider, say, guess what? A child now run away from somewhere when comfortable and he's seen and heard and loved.
Thank you very much. If I was a bit closer to you, I shake it to on them till them broke. And this is why I tell them, so I'm not buying this runaway story, because it's been there for 7 years. That's why I'm not buying this runaway story. Because for 7 years, right? 7 years. And this is what I'm saying. This isn't rocket science. And just as you said, you're not going to run away from a place where you're comfortable and okay. You're just not going to run away from it. So they're telling us that they think him run away, he made too much food and throw it up in their belly like squirrel. I'm not buying it. I'm sorry. I am not buying it.
Yeah.
I'm not buying it. And it's very ironic that as your cousin allegedly broke him back in neck, in foot or whatever, you decide to run up on that idea there. Your cousin come down from America, you decide to run away. It's just too much coincidence, and I don't believe in a coincidence, my brother. I don't.
As I said, when it comes to that aspect of it, I could see where he decide to take himself based on what they said to him. You get what me I say? You know? Me feel like the youth were afraid. Wait till such and such come. You get what me say? But at the same time, me no feel like, cause guess what? It's when me tell you me run away, me never reach far, bro. You understand? Me never reach very far. Me get out of the community, me reach downtown Mobe. You understand? Reach downtown Mobe, and even then, as a child, me still think, boy, I see my sister one last time. Marking, me no have a plan, you know. Me go over my sister's school, go tell her, say me the runway, and that was the end of that, you know. That was the end of that. She, you know, she and her teacher them wall on for me and, you know, bring me back home and all of that. So me can't see if he was afraid. But you see, a child who feels totally seen and heard and whatever in a home, even if something if it happened to his little cousin, right? That I wouldn't first thing for things that me run with, unless, you know, them people drive some fear in him. Because
my mother will carry me in her belly for 37 months. She in the comment section right now. My mother, actually, my mother. And I run with when I was a kid. My mother went to a place called Curacao. He with my stepfather and my uncle. And we'll go beach one day, some river thing or something, and apparently we never forgot me and my other brother. And one boy will go with in Q come back in farm and we say me nearly John. That's what them come back and say, because Q tea something and would have mouth him. Same tea him. And then come back and tell my uncle. And my uncle said, I'm gonna beat me. And he end up got work left me. He have a barrel, he have a small barrel with $8 card in it. And I pulled out my school bag out of that. And punt to man if you go for my next uncle. Not for a while, probably about 3-4 weeks, and nobody never know me there. Not even my mother never know me there. And I am not saying somebody can run away. But in this instant, my brother, in this instant, you see, all right. You see, if they say Mr. T did have time to beat him and then take for himself, and this is at home, because if my mother was there when my uncle threatened me not run away. My mother wasn't even in the country. So me not stay with my uncle, make him come back in for her come beat me, because I'm not depend that with him. Because I have to pies him with little rat pies now. So true, me never want pies him, me run away. You understand? So me personally, as a kid, will run with myself. Me nah put no run up on this kid here. I'm not putting a run up. The girl, them between Tammy and that girl there, and Russian and the next brother, and them pick him up. And the Jaden if I come off of the earth tonight, I come off with this in my heart. The earth journey between 4:30 and 5:30, according to the whole Texas.
It is definitely possible. What you say, you get me? I feel like then do something to him for sure.
Yeah,
you know.
I feel like because them say we mustn't post them back on the screen. Because I used to put them on the screen. I can't do it. Let me tell you something. Mm-hmm. There's a text message that's that 4:03 p.m. Mm-hmm. Says she's going to get the chicken and chips. Mm-hmm. Yeah. 4:37. The mama say he's getting fussy. Now, you're telling me, remember I know, Mr. T said when he meet them, you know, he was going to buy a cup of soup. You remember? Well, you probably don't know, but in one of the interview, Mr. T said when he was going to buy a cup of soup, she was coming into the hospital. Yeah? Mm-hmm. Now, you're telling me from 4:03 and you come and you tell us you reach at the hospital 7:09. When you got to the hospital, allegedly, you see your brother, your mother, your father. And from 4:03 to 7:09, you are going to take all of that time to buy a chicken for your baby that had a broken back, foot, neck, and hip, and femur, rather than say, Daddy, or them are. I cheer them if you get them, so where baby and Atlas protection, and Marksman and Gasman protection, then one of them couldn't go buy chicken, so you have to wait from man to go be to come on Monday if you got KFC go buy chicken for your son. Come on, man, give me.
Yeah, the KFC angle never makes sense to me from Drum.
Hold on now. Well, look at this. Because obviously we never see text when I'm tell you, know, right? So in the text message, she said, in the text message, I mean like use for them word, man. I don't want to use nothing but for them word. Hold up. For them word, no one for use, yeah? Show you something. I wonder if they take the text out of the phone. Can I not trust them enough? Oh, me fine. See it here? So, see it here? Where is it? So, you're telling me now, yeah? 4:03 will get the chicken chips. That's what she said. But here the damning part now. At 3:59. 3:59. She make a mistake text to her mother. Well, she is still at school. The last time the camera catch Jaden at Little Caesar was 3:49. Mm-hmm. This message here sent 3:59. Well, she is still at school. Now, the Mar said them up there and look for him all long. Meaning they've been there looking for Jaden from about 2:40. Because him school over 2:30 and we give him 10 minutes for shuffle around high school for come out of the school. So if I check from 2:40 and to 3:59, that is the time where them look for him and can't find him because he don't look at Caesar then. And then I'm going to show you how everything come full circle. In a L.A. Lewis interview, L.A. Lewis asked him, when Jaden got to look at fast food restaurant, where was Shanice then? What did Mr. T say? She and Tammy gone up as perchy ill. You know why? When she sent a message here, I rang person, she sent it to she sent it to one of her brother them. And they got to her mother. So when she got to the hospital, go look and say if Jaden didn't come at the hospital, you know. Because she couldn't call the mother for ask the mother, said, did Jaden come in? Because she done make mistake and send this a text to the mother. So she asked school. See there, when she sent the text, the mother said, who? She said, not you. And then she tried to throw off the mother, we'll get the chicken chips. You know, if say chicken and chips, we'll get the chicken chips. Now, listen to this now. He told we that 6:50 she reach at the KFC, buy the chicken, and reach at the hospital 7:09. Yeah? That's 90 minutes, my friend. Watch this now. From the time when she said she will get the chicken and chips here, so till the mother takes her back and said the baby is getting fussy. That alone at 37 minutes. And this, so you're telling me, say, you reach a KFC in a Mandeville on a Friday and take 90 minutes to get served and reach at the hospital.
But at that moment, just to say, because I'm familiar with the KFC in Mandeville, and no, that for that Friday, no.
My brother, and this is what I try to tell you. So this is what I try to tell you. From she state, I have a next text, you know. So from she says she gonna get the chicken at 4:03, yeah, at 4:03 to 7:09. That's a big way, brother. So if you're telling me your baby, 2-year-old baby, yeah, in the hospital with a broken bone, yeah, and tell us you're hungry, and you are going to wait 2 to 3 hours rather than tell your father or your brother, say, go and go get the chicken for the baby, I'll go get him one ribena or something. I'm not buying it. And if they might trust it, I'm not trusting either.
I agree with you.
You say, listen, you see, I don't want every evidence. All them have to do is give me a couple of these text messages and put them on one stand and say, I'm not cross question and send everything out of prison. Trust and believe me. Trust and believe me, my brother. These people, they are dangerous. And I am telling you, and if me wrong, me ask God up above to forgive me. You see, alright. You see, one part of her said, Daddy can't get a chicken. She said that because she was where Jaden is. That's why she said if Daddy can't get a chicken, because she was where Jaden is. And I can promise you, see that head lick what the mother talk about, and them give Jaden the head lick. Between Tommy, the hyena, that grasmite from me, and let me show you something again. Let me show you something again, my brother. Because, listen, you see, I can't sit down here and tell you the whole of them interview from back to finish. I mean, I look for nothing. That's how much I study them. I study them like me I do a driving test to go drive for my license. That's how I study them. Let me say something to you, right? Do you think me and your brother, yeah? Me and your brother, and we live in the same yard. And we have a next brother there as well. And something happened to our little cousin. And that the brother they can know, and me and you don't know. And we in the same house. Them all come out here, come tell we say, I know the bed him jump off a man. I went jump off of them. Oh, him jump off of the sofa after.